Hey, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to elevate your living spaces. Today, we're diving into the world of decorating with a black color palette. Black is bold, sophisticated, and timeless, but it can be tricky to get just right. So, if you're ready to embrace the dark side and make a stunning statement in your home, stick around for our top interior styling tips for using black in your decor. Let's get started. 1. Balance with contrast. Pair with neutrals like beiges to balance the intensity of black. These neutral tones will create a harmonious and elegant look. Incorporate natural elements can soften the starkness of black and add warmth to your space. 2. Play with textures. Combine different materials like velvet, leather, and metal to create a rich, layered look. Opt for textured fabrics like wool linen or faux fur for upholstery to add tactile appeal. Textures prevent your black color scheme from feeling flat and one-dimensional. 3. Focus on lighting. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and inviting space. Incorporate mirrors and metallic finishes to reflect light and add brightness. Good lighting enhances the beauty of black and highlights your decor choices. 4. Add pops of color. Introduce bold accents like artwork or rugs in vibrant colors like red, gold, or emerald green. These pops of color add energy and break up the monotony. Gold, silver, and bronze accents can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your black decor. 5. Go for statement pieces. Black is a powerful color that can make a strong impact, so don't be afraid to go bold with your choices. Choose large, statement furniture pieces like a black velvet sofa or a sleek black dining table. These pieces become focal points and anchor the room. Statement pieces in black create a sense of drama and luxury in your space. And there you have it, folks. Our top interior styling tips for decorating with a black color palette. We hope these tips inspired you to create a sophisticated and stylish space. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more interior design inspiration.